Hello students, today I came with a new video and I discuss class 7 classification of animals chapter number 4 and this is the part 2. So let's discuss. So first is phylum Annelida. Okay, so phylum Annelida means segmented worms. Annulus is the ring and the idios means forms. So annelids are generally found in where? In most soil and pond water. And they have a soft cylindrical and bilateral symmetrical body. So they have a body cavity. So their body has ring-like compartments called the segments. And what is the function of the segments? Segments basically help in the movement. So they have special organs, special kinds of organs are called the nephridia. So what is the function of nephridia? The nephridia is responsible for the excretions. So and the examples of the annelids are earthworm and the leech. You can see in figure 4.5 is the earthworm and this is the leech. Next is key points. What is leech? Leech is a parasite that attaches itself to the body of the host and sucks blood. And these earthworms are considered as a farmer's friends. You can remember why it is called that farmer's friend, because they help to improve the fertility of the soil. That's why earthworms are considered as a farmer's friends. So next is phylum Arthropoda. Arthropod animals with jointed legs. Okay. So arthropoda, this is a Greek word. So arthro means jointed and the podus means foot. So arthropoda basically found where? In the ear, land, ponds, oceans, etc. So the body is segmented and divided into 3 regions. What are the 3 regions? Head, thorax and the abdomen. Okay. So the body has jointed legs. Legs in pairs. Jointed legs means legs in pairs. All arthropods have paired appendages with many joints. The body has a tough outer covering called the exoskeleton. Okay, so this line is very important. And they have compound eyes in arthropods. An image is formed in several pieces and this type of vision is called the mosaic vision. So this line is important and this term is also important. So you have to remember this term. Next is exoskeleton is a rigid external covering of the body. But where it is found? It is found in some invertebrates and invertebrates that provides the support and the protections. So arthropods are further classified into 4 subgroups, that is the arachido and the crustacea and the myriapods and insects. Okay, so here you can see the figure, different types of subgroups of classes. Okay, so first is the spider, millipede, shrimps, etc. Next is phylum Mollusca, soft body celled animals. So this is a Latin word. Okay, mollis means soft. So molluscs have a soft, unsegmented body with an outer hard shell. You have to remember that unsegmented body. So some molluscs have a single cell. A cell has an external coiled cell and others may have 2 cells that are attached on one side. For example, you can say osteots and crabs. And some molluscs such as octopus, squid and cuttlefish have a cell inside the body and 4 pairs of arms. So you can see in figure 4.9 cent. So next is phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata means spiny skinned animals. So it's also Greek word and echinos means spiny and derma means skin. You know derma means a skin. So dermatology from the dermatology. Okay. So echinoderms have an unsegmented body, and there's no head, and the body have 5 radial arms with sharp spines all over it. So they have a mouth on the lower side and an anus on the upper side. This line is important. And they have a mouth on the lower side, and they move with the help of the tube-like feet. Each foot has suckers at the ends that is used to capture and hold the prey. For examples are echinoderms, are starfish, brittle star, and the sea urchin. So did you know is the octopus has 8 arms and is the largest among invertebrates. So you can see 4.10 is the starfish and echinoderm. So we have to done up to here. You can read this chapter up to here, and in the next video I will discuss the next parts. Okay, so thank you, tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.